Daily Speak. Learn, listen, speak.
Hey, welcome back. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. Hello, everyone.
Today we have a beautiful topic, something that touches every single person listening right now.
Ooh, I'm curious. What is it?
Friendship.
Oh, I love this topic. Friends make life better, don't they?
They really do. And here's how this works, everyone. We just talk. You listen, and your English gets better naturally. No grammar rules, no stress.
So get comfortable. Maybe grab a cup of coffee. And let's talk about friends.
Sarah, let me start with an easy question. How many close friends do you have?
Close friends? Real close friends? Maybe 3.
Only 3?
Only 3. But that's okay. I know a lot of people. I have many acquaintances. But close friends? Just a few.
Ah, that's a great word. Acquaintance?
Yes. An acquaintance is someone you know, but not very well. Maybe someone from work or a neighbor you say hello to.
So there's a difference. An acquaintance is someone you know a little. A close friend is someone you trust deeply.
Exactly. I have many acquaintances, but only a few close friends. And I think that's normal for most people.
I agree. Some people say you can count your true friends on one hand.
That's such a good expression. On one hand, it means you have only a few, less than 5.
Right. I can count my true friends on one hand. And that's completely fine. Quality over quantity.
Quality over quantity. Yes, I'd rather have 3 real friends than 50 fake ones.
Well said. So let's talk about how we meet friends. Sarah, where did you meet your closest friend?
Oh, this is a nice story. I met her at university. We were in the same class. On the first day, we sat next to each other.
And you became friends immediately?
Not immediately. But we started talking and we just clicked.
Ah, we clicked. Another great expression.
Yes. When you click with someone, you connect easily. The conversation feels natural. You just get along.
I love that word. Some people you meet and you click right away. Others, it takes time.
Exactly. With my best friend, we clicked on day 1. What about you, Alex? Where did you meet your best friend?
My best friend? We grew up together. We were childhood friends. We lived on the same street.
Oh, childhood friends. That's special.
It is. We've known each other for over 20 years now.
20 years, that's amazing. So you go way back.
We go way back. That's a nice phrase, isn't it? To go way back means you've known someone for a very long time.
Yes, Alex and his friend go way back. They've been friends since childhood.
And you know what's interesting? We're very different now. He lives in another city. We have different jobs, different lives.
But you're still friends.
Still close friends. Because real friendship doesn't need you to be together every day.
That's so true. Let me ask you something. How often do you talk to him?
Honestly, maybe once a month. Sometimes less.
Once a month and you're still close?
Here's the beautiful thing. When we talk, it feels like no time has passed. We just pick up where we left off.
Oh, I love that. To pick up where you left off. It means you continue, like you never stopped.
Exactly. Some friends, you don't see them for a year, but the moment you meet, you pick up right where you left off. Like no time passed at all.
That's the sign of a true friend, I think.
So let's do a quick vocabulary review for our listeners. Repeat after us.
An acquaintance. Someone you know, but not well.
An acquaintance.
To click with someone, to connect easily,
To click with someone.
to go way back, to know someone for a long time,
To go way back.
to pick up where you left off, to continue like no time passed.
To pick up where you left off.
Great job, everyone. These are very natural expressions.
Now, Sarah, here's a harder question. What makes a good friend?
Ooh, that's deep. Let me think. For me, the most important thing is trust.
Trust. Yes.
A good friend keeps your secrets. You can tell them anything, and you know it stays private.
Absolutely. If you can't trust someone, you can't be close.
What about you, Alex? What makes a good friend for you?
For me, someone who is there for you, especially in difficult times.
To be there for someone. That's an important phrase.
It means to support someone, to help them when they need it. A good friend is there for you when things go wrong.
Yes, anyone can be there in good times. But a real friend stays in the bad times too.
Exactly. I have a friend like that. A few years ago, I was going through a hard time.
Oh no. What happened?
I lost my job. It was very stressful. And this friend, he called me every week just to check on me.
That's a real friend.
He was there for me when I needed it most. I'll never forget that.
That's beautiful, Alex. And it shows something. A friend in need is a friend indeed.
Oh, the old saying, a friend in need is a friend indeed. It means a true friend helps you when you're in trouble.
It's an old expression, but it's still so true.
It really is. Now, let me ask you, Sarah, have you ever lost a friendship?
Yes, actually. It's a little sad.
We don't have to talk about it if...
No, it's okay. It's normal. I had a very close friend years ago, but slowly, we grew apart.
To grow apart. That's a gentle way to say it.
Yes. To grow apart means you slowly become less close. Not because of a fight, just life.
That happens to a lot of people. You move to different cities, you get busy, and slowly you drift apart.
Exactly. We didn't argue. We just stopped talking as much. And one day I realized we had grown apart.
Do you miss that friendship?
Sometimes. But I've learned that some friendships are for a season and some are for life.
That's a wise way to look at it. Some people come into your life for a short time, others stay forever.
And both are okay. Both taught me something.
Beautifully said. Let's do another vocabulary review. Listeners, repeat after us.
To be there for someone. To support them.
To be there for someone.
To grow apart. To slowly become less close.
To grow apart.
To drift apart. Almost the same. To slowly separate.
To drift apart.
Wonderful. You're learning so many natural expressions today.
Now, Sarah, let's talk about making new friends as an adult. Because it's not easy, is it?
Oh, it's so hard. When you're a child, it's easy. You just play together and boom, you're friends.
Exactly, but as an adult, it's much harder.
Why do you think that is?
Well, everyone is busy. Everyone has their own life, their own routine. There's less free time.
That's true. And also, I think adults are more shy. We're afraid to make the first move.
To make the first move. Yes. It means to be the first person to start something.
Right? Someone has to make the first move. Someone has to say, "Hey, do you want to get a coffee sometime?"
And that's scary for many people. What if they say no?
But here's my advice. Be brave. Most people are happy to make new friends. They're just waiting for someone else to start.
That's a great point. Everyone is waiting for someone else to break the ice.
To break the ice. Yes. It means to say something friendly, to start a conversation and remove the awkwardness.
So don't be afraid to break the ice. Ask a simple question. Give a compliment. Start small.
And where can adults meet new friends, Alex?
Good question. Hobbies are great. A sports club, a book club, a cooking class.
Yes. When you share an interest, it's easier to connect. You already have something in common.
Something in common. Exactly. Common interests make friendship easier.
Work is another place. Many people meet their friends at work.
True. You see the same people every day. Slowly, an acquaintance can become a friend.
So my message to everyone listening, if you want more friends, be open. Say yes to invitations and make the first move sometimes.
Wonderful advice. Let's do one more vocabulary review.
To make the first move, to be the first to start,
To make the first move.
to break the ice, to start a conversation in a friendly way,
To break the ice.
to have something in common, to share an interest or quality.
To have something in common.
Perfect. You're doing amazing, everyone.
Now, listeners, it's your turn to think. We'll ask you a few questions. Just think of the answer in English. Don't worry if it's not perfect.
Question 1. How many close friends do you have? Think about it.
Question 2. Where did you meet your best friend? At school? At work?
Question 3. What makes a good friend, in your opinion?
Question 4. Is it easy or hard to make friends where you live?
Take your time. Think in English. That's how you improve.
Sarah, before we finish, let me ask you one last thing. What does friendship mean to you in one sentence?
Oh, that's hard. In one sentence? I would say, a friend is someone who makes the good times better and the hard times easier.
Wow, that's beautiful.
What about you, Alex?
For me, a friend is someone who knows all about you and still likes you.
I love that. Someone who knows everything about you and stays anyway.
That's the dream, right?
That's the dream. Okay, everyone, let's review the key expressions from today. Say them with us.
An acquaintance.
An acquaintance.
We just clicked.
We just clicked.
We go way back.
We go way back.
He's always there for me.
He's always there for me.
We grew apart.
We grew apart.
Let's break the ice.
Let's break the ice.
Excellent work, everyone.
So, before we go, we have a question for you in the comments.
Tell us about your best friend. Where did you meet? How long have you known each other? Write it in English, of course.
We read every comment. We love hearing your stories.
And if you enjoyed this conversation, give us a thumbs up. It really helps.
And subscribe to Daily Speak English podcast so you don't miss our next conversation.
Thank you so much for listening today. Remember, good friends are one of life's greatest gifts.
So call a friend today. Send them a message. Let them know you care.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and your English will keep getting better.
See you in the next video. Bye, everyone.
Take care. Goodbye.